The following video is a guide on how to use the 60 HD baler. This baler can bale a wide range of materials including plastic bottles and aluminium drinks cans. Open the door before treading the straps into position. Next, place 2 rolls on the strap holder at the right-hand side of the bale chamber. Then tread each strap into the chamber slots and pull over to the fastening points on the left-hand side of the chamber. Loop and knot each of these straps. At the back of the baler, place 5 rolls of strapping on the 2 holding bars. Next, tread each strap into the holding slots and then tread down into the compaction chamber. Then pull each strap down to the strap holding points at the front of the baler. Loop and knot each strap and fasten into the strap holding points. Close the door and lock into position with the wheel provided. The baler is now ready to load material. Press down on the bar on the compaction head and pull forward over the bale chamber. Press the start button and then move the lever to the down position. Now press the start button again and move the lever to the up position. Push the compaction head back to open the chamber to repeat the process. When the compaction plate reaches the bale full decal on the door, it is time to tie and complete the bale. Pull the compaction head backwards to access the chamber. Using the tie feed bar, first pull the 2 straps from the side over the top of the chamber and tread behind the hand release wheel. Make sure you have enough strapping to tie the bale and cut the strapping. Only the bottom portion of the cut strapping needs to stay in the slot for tying. Next, using the tie feed bar, pull the straps at the back of the bale chamber and through the slots at the top of the door. Make sure you have enough strapping for tying before cutting each strap. Pull the compaction head forward and press the start button and move the lever to the down position. Open the door to tie off the bale. Tie each of the straps at the front and side of the bale. Next, select the eject mode on the control panel. Place the compaction lever into the up position and then press both green buttons together to take the compaction plate to the home position. Place a pallet in front of the baler. Press and hold the eject lever and the green button at the side of the baler to eject the bale.